In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Tone Brush tool and Affinity 3, which lets you selectively adjust the brightness and contrast and also color in specific areas of your image. So the Tone Brush tool is in the pixel layer, and it's here with your other adjustment tools, beneath the adjustment brush tool. So long click it to get the Tone Brush tool. And this Tone Brush tool, as you can see here on top, lets you choose between Dodge Burn, Blend and Inverse Blend. Now Dodge Burn gives dodge to make certain areas brighter, so just paint over it, and it gives you a layer here, a dodge burn tone layer, which makes it totally non-destructive. You can disable it if you want to. And if you want to have the burn option, just press X on your keyboard, and then you will use the burn option instead of the dodge option. Now we also have the blend option here, and the blend option lets you harmonize between the painted area and the underlying layers. So I can harmonize this here, and it sort of softens out harsh transitions. And now we have the inverse blend, which does the total opposite. It lets you, well, it subtly separates the painted area from the surrounded area, can help restore contrast or reinforce the tonal distinction. But yeah, these you can also choose if you want an overlay or other options here. And then you have the full range or just the shadows, midtones or highlights. Highlights the parent layer. You can choose a clip inside or clip and sibling layer. And then you can also choose the hardness of the brush, the flow of the brush, and the opacity of the brush if you want to. And of course, you can make your brush smaller or bigger. But that's how you can easily use the Tone Brush tool in Affinity 3, which lets you add layers and makes it totally non-destructive, so you can non-destructively brighten, burn your images. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.